Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my January meal plan. I'm all about quick and easy meals and leftovers. So the first week of January I'm having party leftovers, Instant Pot chicken and dumplings with leftovers, grocery shopping with rotisserie chicken and salad, and on Saturdays we go out to eat. So the second week I am doing Instant Pot beef and broccoli with leftover that taco ring that I've seen going around, but we love a Taco Tuesday with leftovers. And then once a week we like to do homemade pizza. So my kids love to kind of come up with their own creations. Sometimes it's sausage, sometimes it's pepperoni, sometimes it's chicken. We have fun with it. On Friday we're doing pretzel chicken fingers with potatoes and broccoli. My daughter loves pretzel chicken and we haven't had it in a while, so I figured we might try that again. And then we're going to do Instant Pot Buffalo Ranch chicken pasta and leftovers. And then Instant Pot chicken with rice, leftovers, pizza, grocery shopping with rotisserie chicken and salad, out to eat. And then Instant Pot Swedish meatballs. I've tried that before. It is absolutely delicious. I'm excited for this week to hurry up and get here because I really want to eat those again. And leftovers. Taco Tuesday, leftovers, pizza again, and then I want to do spaghetti with meatballs. And we usually eat this isn't a big leftover, spaghetti isn't, we usually eat that right up with some garlic bread, out to eat. And then Instant Pot chicken burrito bowls. I've recently seen this pop up on Facebook, so I want to try that. And Instant Pot chicken and rice with leftovers, and then pizza. And that'll be it for January. So I like to do a lot of quick and easy meals. Definitely not healthy meals. I mean, we get our basic meat and veg and carbs, but I prefer quick and easy. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I make my Rae Dunn series on Sundays.